This is incredible because I really thought Hbar would slow down as we're leading into the weekend, but no, it really picked up yesterday after my video. I was worried that because we're going into the weekend and there's low volume with the stock market being shut, that we would just use this previous range support, which has been seen to be confirmed as resistance. That is what led to new lower lows. I was just thinking that would hold up for the weekend as the momentum dies down. But look, we've broken through that range. Now I want to see through the weekend this holding up. I really do not want to see a fake out here through the weekend with this level being lost, because that would then suggest, again, yeah, a fake out, a fake breakout. So not in favor of the bulls, in fact, in favor of the bears, which could potentially give more validity for a further move back down towards 20 to 22 cent. I don't want that to be the case because you've now just experienced a new high on Hbar. And for those that are just experiencing Hbar for the first time from down here, that's a new account high for you. But as you can see to the left, there is that wick, technically not broken through that yet. I guess we can actually mark this out and adjust this box to that resistance. So technically with the break of the 25 cent area, that needs to be the upcoming support. So I will mark that out with a green line for you. Over the weekend, we need to see this held. We don't want to see a break back under, otherwise we'll target 20 to 22 cent once again. You don't want that breakdown, because once you get such a significant move down, you could argue once again when it starts moving back up, it could be corrective for even lower. But with how things are shaping up with Bitcoin, I don't assume that will be the case. I think the worst possible scenario is if we did lose this 25 cent area, it would just look for support here, reverse and break out, maybe form this inverse head and shoulders, which we have discussed in the last few days in these updates. But yeah, I just thought that maybe it would find resistance here. It's gone one level higher to the 28 cents area, and with this breakout, we are still on this journey to the target. Right here, which is above the Fibonacci 886. Now, the chart pattern itself calls for a break of the 886 to 40 cent, but the Fibonacci strategy suggests on the break of this area, we can target 55 to 82 cent. So pretty much this break reversal down here, which I called from 13 to 14 cent, will eventually lead to 82 cent. I actually made another update the other day speaking about this larger bullish pattern, and that actually argues that we should see higher than 82 cent, up to $1.20, as long as a correction from this area uses our current top now as support. That is it from me today. Like, subscribe, comment and share. If you want to learn the strategy, use the links down below.